Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Waller's Wallet, and with American Express increasing the bonus on the Platinum card, there is a lot of newly minted Platinum card holders out there. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the things you need to do right after you receive your Platinum card. Now, if you want a simple way to help out this channel, consider hitting that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on as well so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, the American Express Platinum card, love it or hate it, has a lot of benefits. And it's really the reason why you get this card. Because usually the earning rates aren't anything to brag about in this card, but the benefits are where it shines. But not all the benefits on the Platinum card come activated. So you want to make sure you activate these benefits to make sure you're getting them, or you're going to think you're getting these benefits when you're actually not. So let's take a look at them. The first thing you want to do is select your airline for that airline credit. Now, even though this airline credit is a bit archaic and it's not user friendly, the Platinum card does offer that $200 airline credit on 9 different airlines. These include United Airlines, Hawaiian, Frontier, Spirit, American Airlines, JetBlue, Southwest, Delta, and Alaska Airlines. Now, I'm not really sure why US Airways and AirTran is still listed here. Those airlines are no longer around, and they should probably update this. I guess this makes sense though, since it's probably the last time American Express has ever thought about updating anything regarding these airline credits. Now, while American Express has this listed for incidentals such as baggage fees, for example, this has worked for people for seat upgrades, some award taxes and fees, and a few other things not listed on their incidental list. But do not buy gift cards and try to trigger this airline credit, because American Express has clawed back credits here. But if you don't register and select an airline for this credit, you're not going to get it. And usually American Express will not credit it back to you if you don't select one. Now, if you do select an airline and either realize you selected the wrong airline, or maybe your situation changes and a different airline could suit you better, American Express has been pretty good in the past about changing that for people. You just typically need to reach out over the chat function to do so. And usually for this to happen, you would have need to not use any of that credit at all for them to change your airline. But I have seen people say that they've been able to change it even though they've used some money on a different selected airline. This will be a your miles may vary situation. So while this is a harder credit to use, you should absolutely pick your airline so you can use it. The next thing you need to do is add your Platinum card to your Uber app. Because with the Platinum card, American Express gives you a monthly allowance to Uber. Thanks, Mom and Dad. You're going to get $15 of Uber cash per month, and then you're going to get $35 in December. Now, in order to get your Uber cash, you do need to download the Uber app or even the UberEats app. Then you're going to want to add your Platinum card as a payment option in these apps. Then when you go to pay for your UberEats or your Uber ride, just make sure you select to use your Uber cash, because this does not automatically happen for you. Now, it is important to know that your Uber cash will expire at the end of every month and it does not roll over, so use it or lose it. That's really how American Express is playing this. Then along the same lines, you want to be sure to register for your UberEats pass. Now, this is a newly added benefit, although temporarily added, for the Platinum card, Gold card, and Green card. And when you register for your UberEats, you're going to get a 12-month complimentary membership. Now, you do need to register for this by December 31st of 2021 in order to get your 12 free months. Now, this does offer benefits like no delivery fees and 5% off orders, $15 more. You can even get free delivery on groceries that are $30 or more as well. So if you're someone who uses UberEats, then it makes sense to register for this benefit because it could save you some money. Now, you do want to be aware when you register for this benefit, because if you're not using it or you're not going to use it after that 12-month promotional period, you want to be sure to cancel it, because American Express and UberEats will charge you after that 12-month freebie window is ended. Then the next thing you want to do is enroll in your Saks Fifth Ave credit. Now, this is yet another allowance-based credit for American Express, but the time frame is different than that of the Uber benefit, because you're going to get $50 twice a year. The first $50 is good from January through June, and the second $50 credit is good from July through December. And again, this is a use it or lose it benefit from American Express, and items at Saks can actually be quite expensive, but not everything is thousands of dollars. So if you are someone trying to use your credit without going over that $50 mark, you can just filter out items that are under $50, then buy a Yankee swap gift that nobody wants at Christmas time. Then don't forget to use a shopping portal when you're shopping at Saks so you can earn extra rewards while also using this credit. We've even seen American Express offer American Express offers for more point offerings that are Saks purchases as well, so be sure to keep a lookout for that. Also, a word of caution here. Buying a gift card in-store could trigger the Saks Fifth Ave credit, but gift cards are excluded in the fine print. And with other gift cards like the Airline credit, for example, American Express has clawed those back in the past. So if you do decide to take the risk and buy a gift card at Saks to trigger that credit, I wouldn't be too upset if and or when American Express claws back that credit from you. They don't like this type of behavior, and they've made that pretty clear with their actions in the past. Now, the next thing you want to do is be sure to enroll in Priority Pass Lounge Access. Now, the Platinum Card, it comes with a lot of different lounge accesses for you, many of which you get access just by showing your Platinum Card, but this is not true for Priority Pass. And with Priority Pass Lounge Access, you're going to get access for you and up to 2 guests as many times as you want throughout the year. If you do decide to bring in more than 2 guests, you're going to be charged for each guest over that second guest. But you do need to register for Priority Pass before you can access their lounges. You just can't flex that fancy Platinum Card at the front desk to let you in. So be sure to register for this benefit so you have no issues when you're ready to use it. And you should be able to add your membership and get access to your Priority Pass card right on the Priority Pass app, which makes things very, very convenient, but you will get your physical card in about 2 weeks after you register. Also remember, while Priority Pass has restaurants in their network, American Express, including the Platinum Card, do not get access at these Priority Pass restaurants. So don't make that mistake, because that could be a pretty expensive screw up. The next thing you want to do is get your Hilton Gold status. Now, this might be one of the most useful benefits on the Platinum Card if you're someone who stays at Hilton properties, because Hilton Gold status is a valuable benefit, and it is probably the best mid-level hotel status out on the market right now. And this is actually a pretty easy benefit to register for. All you need to do is go to the benefits page on your Platinum Card, put in your Hilton Honors number, and submit it. That's it. Now, this could take up to 3 days to see your Hilton Gold status take effect in your Hilton account, but you want to be sure to do this sooner rather than later so you have that Gold status when you're ready to use it if you're staying at a Hilton property. Because Gold status is going to get you benefits like room upgrades and even free breakfast. And you're going to get to keep your Hilton Gold status as long as you have your Platinum Card. And if you cancel the Platinum Card, this benefit will end as well. Then along the same lines, the other hotel status you get with your Platinum Card is Marriott Gold. Now, while this may not be as lucrative as Hilton Gold status, that does not mean you shouldn't register for this benefit, because you never know when you're going to need to use it. And just like Hilton status, you just need to enter your Marriott number and submit it. And within 3 days, you should have your Marriott Gold status active in your account as well. And Marriott Gold status is going to get you benefits like room upgrades, 2 p.m. late checkout, and even 25% bonus points on paid stays, as well as even a welcome gift. Now, this is actually the same level of status you get with the expensive Ritz-Carlton card and even the American Express Brilliant card. Then you want to be sure to use your TSA Precheck or Global Entry credit. Now, the TSA Precheck and Global Entry credit is given out by so many cards now that you may already have it. But if you don't already have this benefit, then your Platinum Card has you covered. Because with your Platinum Card, you get up to a $100 credit every 4 years for Global Entry, or an $85 credit every 4.5 years for TSA Precheck. And all you have to do is pay the application fee with your Platinum Card to use this benefit. Now, if you're someone undecided about if you should be getting TSA Precheck or Global Entry, American Express actually has a nice chart breaking it down for you. But if you do get Global Entry, that does come with TSA Precheck. The issue here for some there just might not be a place to interview for Global Entry nearby for them. So for that reason, TSA Precheck could be easier for people to acquire. Either way, both are going to be helpful for you to get through the airport just a little bit faster. Now, since you just need to pay the application fee with your Platinum Card to get this credit, if you're someone that already has TSA Precheck or Global Entry, you can pay for someone else and basically gift them that benefit and still get your credit. This could be a nice gift that wouldn't cost you anything extra for someone you know who does travel and doesn't have this benefit. Then you want to register for your car rental status. Now, the last benefit you need to register for is to get your 3 different car rental statuses. You're going to get Avis Preferred status, Hertz Gold status, and even Emerald Club Executive membership from National Car Rental. And each of these statuses will get you access to different benefits, such as vehicle upgrades, for example. But since you have access to this benefit, you might as well register for it, because you never know when you might need to rent a car and how this could benefit you. Having it and not using it is definitely different than wanting to use it and not being able to do it because you didn't activate the benefit. And you can enroll in all these status benefits right on the website with just a few clicks of the button. Then if you're thinking of adding authorized users to the Platinum card, authorized users actually do get some benefits. Now to add an authorized user to the Platinum card, it's not cheap. It's $175 for up to the first 3 authorized users. Then it's $175 for each authorized user after that 3rd authorized user you've added earlier. But if you are an authorized user on the Platinum card, you get many of the same benefits as the cardholder themselves. This includes getting your own lounge access, which includes the Centurion Lounge, the Delta Lounges, and even your own Priority Pass lounge access. You're going to get your own TSA and Global Entry credit. You're going to get gold status for your Hilton and Marriott memberships, as well as car rental status. Now, authorized users do not get their own Uber, Saks credit, or even Airline credit. So this is a nice benefit if you were to add authorized users to your account. Just be sure to run the numbers and see if it makes sense to add authorized users to your account. Now, the Platinum card just has so many benefits, and really how much value you get from these benefits is going to depend on how much and how often you use them. And while I personally don't care for the allowance-based credits or the restrictive airline credit the Platinum card offers, the lounge access on the Platinum card is probably the best of any premium card out there. And the hotel statuses offered from the Platinum card are valuable, and it's going to be more than what you get from cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve or even the City Prestige, for example. And it does seem that plenty of people do enjoy the UberEats credits given from the Platinum card. So while all of these benefits may not fully benefit you, you should definitely sign up for them and register for these benefits once you get this card, because you never know when you might need to use them. So tell me, what is your favorite benefit on the Platinum card? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, take a look at the links down in the description below. And if you know somebody that could benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. And until next time, safe travel and take care.